Welcome to part 3 of my How to Reel series, where I'm teaching you in detail and breaking it up into parts of how to add fonts to your reels and customize them. So this is part 3. Be sure to go watch part 1 where we talk about how to add text to reels, and part 2 where I show you the different fonts that you can use and where to find them. Now I'm going to be showing you how to change the background of your text and the color.
Paparazzi catch my fly and my cocky fresh.
Let's get into it. So now we know how to add a font. Oh well, let me screen record, because I'll be damn I record this for y'all. Now we have a font. Hey, my name is Alexandria, and what I want to do is change the background color of this font, or the font in general. If you wanted to match your brand colors, my brand colors are purple, teal, and white. So you're going to click this circle at the top and you can pick your colors. If you wanted your colors to match whatever picture you have in the background, you will hold the far left button down and you can move this around to make it match your brand colors. So say I wanted my font to match this, I can just leave it right there and it will do that. Now say you want to change the color of certain parts of the text that you have on your reel. You're going to highlight and select the word or the sentence that you want to change. I'm going to choose to change Alexandria. After you selected that, you're going to click the color at the bottom that you want to change it to, and I'm going to pick green. So you can't really see it right now. So when it's dull like that, you have to click the font, go back up to here, and change the background of it. And I'm going to make it go back to pink. And so now I'm going to do it again. Select Alexandria, pick the color that I want, and there you go. For it to show up darker, you want to, well, let's just do that again. I'm going to redo it because I want y'all to get this, want you to get it in detail. And I know one time explaining it is probably not going to be enough. So let me go back. To change the font to a color in the picture, click that button. Then you're going to scroll down. And if I wanted to change Alexandria to be another font color, I'm going to select the word of, you're going to select the word of your choosing and pick the color that you want. Boom. And that is how you can change the font color, the background color of your text. And I'm going to do another one just because. So let's put, hey, let's just go from scratch. What should I put? Video tutorial. Real tutorial. Real. Now that I have a real tutorial on there, I'm going to change the background so that when I do change my color, by clicking that third letter at the top, and then I'm going to click that so that my font matches the colors I want it to be. And I'm going to change the background. Then I'm going to select what I want to change the word to be a different color. Press green, and boom. And let's add, I want the background. That might be cute too. I'm gonna do it one more time. So add text. Type in the word. Change the color. Pick the color that I want to match. Make sure the background of the words is that one. Then I'm going to change this one. And there we go. So that is how you change the color and change the color of your text, or even if you want to do something special to make a word pop out more, or just want to change the background so it can show up more because of the video is not showing clear, or you don't want your background to blend. You don't want your text to blend in with your background. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful. If there's a part that you want me to go in more detail about, you like, Xandra, this is just too much. You need to break that down again. Let me know in the comments. In part 4, I will be showing you how to make text disappear and reappear at different times in your real videos within the Instagram app. And I will be demonstrating from an Android, as you can see. Thank you for watching.
I'm so reckless when I rock my Givenchy dress. I'm so possessive, so I rock his rock necklaces. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. You mix that Negro with that Creole, make a Texas Bama. Like my